In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google site public, essentially walking you through how to publish your website. Whether you're sharing your latest blog, a business site, or a personal project, visibility is key, and I'm here to guide you through the straightforward process of getting your work live on the web. Let's dive straight in and ensure your site is accessible to everyone. First, you'll want to open your Google site in edit mode. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account where you initially created the site. Once you're on the site dashboard, look for the Publish button, usually located at the top right corner. It's important to have everything on your site looking just the way you want it, since it's about to be seen by others. After clicking Publish, you'll be prompted to choose a web address for your site. This is a unique name that people will type into their web browsers to find your site. It can be helpful to use a name that reflects the content or purpose of your site while keeping it simple and memorable. Type in your desired web address, and remember that the availability of certain names will depend on what hasn't been claimed by other users. If your first choice isn't available, try different variations until you find an available name that works for you. Once you have finalized the web address, you'll have another chance to review your site settings. Take a look at the display by using the Preview button, which lets you see the site as your visitors will. This is a good time to double check everything: spelling, link functionality, and overall appearance. It's these final checks that ensure your site makes a great first impression. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, return to the Publish panel. Now go ahead and click that Publish button once more, and just like that, your site will be live. You might want to grab the site URL and share it with your network, social media, or wherever you're planning to attract your audience. Verify the link works by entering it into your browser's address bar. That's it, your Google site is now public and ready for the world to see. Remember, you can always return to edit and update your site as needed. The more frequently you update, the more dynamic your site remains, potentially drawing more visitors with fresh content. Thank you for joining me in bringing your web presence to life with Google Sites. Tune in next time for more tips and tricks to enhance your online endeavors.